What's up? Today I'm about to go down to Southeast Ohio and ride one of the Windy 9 trails, which so far I've found to be pretty fun to ride. Lots of twisties up and down hills and just really scenic routes. Today I'll be taking the Black Diamond Run, which starts at Somerset, goes down to Athens, and then back up to Somerset. So, about to leave Columbus, Ohio right now, and let's go ride. Got to Somerset, Ohio, filled up my tank of gas all the way. There's a lot of people here riding their bikes through this circle. And like I said, I'm gonna take the Black Diamond Run, which according to this website says celebrate the Hocking Valley's coal heritage with a tour through the little cities of black diamonds. Turn of the century, upstart mining towns shimmer along this jewel of a ride. Toss in the Wayne National Forest and Nelsonville's historic square for a unforgettable run. So you'll see on the map on the screen, there's two ways to get down to Athens from here, and I'm gonna take the route that starts with 668 and then take the other route on the way back. All right, let's see how it goes. Made it to downtown Athens, Ohio, which means that the trip is halfway done. Couldn't stop without refueling, getting some pizza and soda. Back to Somerset, Ohio. So that's where I started the route. It was pretty fun, lots of hills and twisties, and I recommend it. Now it's time to get back to Columbus, Ohio.